In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to record WhatsApp video call with call audio. So all you have to need, go to your WhatsApp app and go to a chat and just start a video call. Once you are in a WhatsApp video call, now to record the call, you have to go to your phone control center and find out the screen recorder. So we can easily record WhatsApp video calls with audio using built-in screen recorder. Just tap on screen recorder and here record sound, select media and microphone. This will record your video call audio with your own voice. Then just tap on start recording. And once the recording successfully started, this built-in screen recorder is now recording your WhatsApp video call with incoming and outgoing voice. Once the recording finished, just tap on stop and stop the video call. Go to your gallery and here you will find your call recording with audio. Thanks for watching.